Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you basically how to fix no location found on Find My iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, and then you need to go ahead to the settings. Go ahead to the general and make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version so you can get access to all the new feature. Or you could just go ahead to the date and time and make sure that you set it automatically, right? And then go ahead to the language and region and make sure right here that you changed the region to the place that you are currently in, right? So in order to fix that problem, and eventually you need to make sure that your VPN is not connected because that violates iPhone policies or Apple policies. And again, what you gotta do next, if you're still facing that same issue, go to the transfer reset iPhone and click reset, and you're gonna reset network settings, and that should fix your problem. If you still have that issue, what you're gonna do, you need to correct your location because probably you haven't got the proper or the correct location. So you need to enable your location on Find My, right? So you're gonna try to find the Find My app, right, in your apps right here, somewhere in between here, right? You're gonna find it somewhere. If you find it, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the Find My and make sure that you enable the location. Or you can just go ahead, I think, to not the general, I think the accessibility, right? And then you're gonna be able to see some kind of location permission, right? You're gonna be able, yeah, privacy and security right here, and make sure that location services is open, and make sure that you allow or give access to all the apps right here. You're gonna be able to notice it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for